The Open Network, a blockchain initiative that emerged from the creative forces of Telegram's founders, has charted a tumultuous yet fascinating course through the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Initially conceptualized by Pavel and Nikolai Durov, the minds behind the globally popular messaging app Telegram, Tangem was designed to redefine how cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology could integrate into everyday digital communications. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about it. Let's give a brief history lesson in this project and then move on from there. From its inception, Tangem was not just another blockchain project. It was an ambitious attempt to blend the speed and privacy of Telegram messaging with the revolutionary aspects of blockchain technology. Now, the Durov brothers envisioned a platform that would support a vast array of services, from fast and secure payment systems to an expansive ecosystem for decentralized applications, much like the offerings seen on Ethereum. The foundation of Tangem was its unique multi-blockchain architecture, intended to significantly surpass the transaction capacities of older blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This was to be achieved through a master chain that coordinated multiple side chains, enhancing overall network capacity and speed. The network also introduced a novel proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, which was less energy intensive and therefore more environmentally friendly than the traditional proof-of-work systems. In 2018, excitement around Tangem reached a peak when Telegram announced it had raised a staggering $1.7 billion through a private initial coin offering for its native token, Gram. Now, this colossal fundraising effort was one of the largest in the history of cryptocurrencies. However, this achievement soon caught the attention of the US Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the SEC, which stepped in with concerns that the ICO constituted an unregistered sale of securities. And this regulatory scrutiny culminated in a major legal battle that significantly stalled project progress. By 2020, facing an uphill battle against stringent regulations and mounting legal pressures, Telegram made the difficult decision to discontinue its active involvement in the Tangem project. And this could have been the end of the road for the network. But what followed was a testament to the resilience and commitment of the global crypto community. The technology and vision of Tangem were too compelling to be disregarded. The community around the project, comprising developers, investors, and blockchain enthusiasts, took it upon themselves to reinvigorate the network, relaunching it as the Open Network, while distancing it from Telegram's direct control. And before we move on though, I want to remind you that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Always do your own research and only invest money you're willing to lose, because even though you can gain a lot in crypto, you will most likely lose it all. Also, I was able to work out a deal with our channel's sponsor, Decent. They are a hardware manufacturer which offers two types of hardware wallets. Now, the first one is a biometric hardware wallet, and the second one is their all-in-one card wallet. And the best thing about this hardware wallet is that you don't need to charge it or connect it to the computer, but you can just use the NFC technology together with your phone to do your transactions and manage your cryptocurrencies. If you use my link in the description, you'll actually get a $30 discount. And I'm also doing a giveaway this month. So subscribe to my channel, leave a comment saying I like Decent, and join our free Telegram saying I like Decent, because that will make you eligible for this month's giveaway. And while you're checking out links anyway, be sure to join me in my free Twitter as well, where I share news and projects quicker than I do on this channel, because these videos actually take a very long time to produce. If we look at the Tangem ecosystem, it is underpinned by a sophisticated multi-blockchain architecture. And this structure includes a master chain that coordinates a series of short chains, each capable of processing transactions independently. And this innovative design enhances the network's capacity to handle vast volumes of transactions simultaneously, thereby significantly reducing bottlenecks that have plagued older blockchain systems. Furthermore, Tangem employs a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which not only facilitates quicker transaction validations, but also minimizes the environmental footprint compared to the energy-intensive proof-of-work models used by networks like Bitcoin. Now, at the heart of Tangem's functionality are its advanced smart contracts, and these contracts support a wide array of decentralized applications, so dApps, which enables developers to build sophisticated programs ranging from decentralized finance platforms to intricate enterprise solutions. And these applications benefit immensely from Ton's high throughput and low latency, making the network an attractive option for developers seeking to deploy scalable dApps. And beyond its core blockchain and smart contract, Ton offers several additional features that enhance its utility and user friendliness. Ton Storage, for instance, provides a secure and distributed file storage system, allowing users to store and share data across the network with ease. And in parallel, Ton Proxy offers privacy and anti-censorship features akin to those provided by VPNs or the Tor network, thus ensuring that users can maintain anonymity and bypass geographical restrictions. Now, the ecosystem also includes Ton Services, a framework for third-party services that can be seamlessly integrated with the network. And this platform facilitates the interaction between users and various centralized services, providing a streamlined interface that enhances the overall user experience. The Ton Society allows you to participate in community activities and earn rewards. It is a global social network for diverse Ton enthusiasts, providing the fastest way to the Ton's Web3 ecosystem in Telegram. Now, there's also the Ton.stat dashboard, and here we can see that at the time of this recording there are 24.7 million wallets, which has been increasing rapidly over the second half of this month. Now, the on-chain activated wallets have increased as well as the daily active wallets. Now, one key metric people like to look at when it comes to an ecosystem and whether or not it's becoming more active is the TVL, or the total value locked. And in the case of Ton, you can see an increase over the past month at ston.fi. Now, the ston.fi automatically allows you to swap the Ton coin into any coin or token at the best rate. It's the AMM DEX for the Ton blockchain, providing virtually zero fees, low slippage, and extremely easy interface and direct integration with Ton wallets. Now, let me know in the comments if you would like me to do a full review on ston.fi, and I'll get to work. The native cryptocurrency of Ton, initially introduced as grams and now known as Ton, serves as the linchpin of the network's economic model. It is used to facilitate transactions, reward validators, and pay for services within the ecosystem. The dynamics of this cryptocurrency, particularly how it integrates with regulatory frameworks and achieves market penetration, remain critical to the network's broader acceptance and success. Now, one of the major questions right now is whether or not blockchain will finally be integrated with the Telegram app. Well, it definitely seems like it, because you can send USDT in 3 easy steps with their wallet in TG. Now, let's jump behind the computer and set one up.
Right, so let's get ourselves a wallet, right? So you need to go to ton.org, and then you have use, and then you can get a wallet. If you click that to start using Ton, you need to have a wallet. It's an app that will hold your Ton coins and help you interact with other apps inside the network. And you can choose your wallet. In this case, we're going to use the wallet, and if you click that, this pop-up will open and you can open it in Telegram. Now, I've already done that. Then you need to click start, and once you've done that, you see this message: your wallet is set and ready. You can start using crypto in Telegram. Right, so let's click open a wallet, and then it says wallet in Telegram made for crypto, easy to buy, send to a friend, convenient to use. Let's click let's go. Now we have our wallet, right? We can send stuff, we can add crypto, we can exchange it, and we've got a peer-to-peer market. Now let's click wallet earn, and that shows us make income from available balance with low requirements and easy setup. Available campaigns: earn Ton coin on USDT up to 50% API for the 2 months, and then earn a NOT coin on Ton up to 7,000 NOT in 14 days. Let's go back. So this is a very convenient and easy way to add your wallet to Telegram. Now we've got the settings up here, reload page. Now if we go to settings, we can set up a passcode, we can have an identification level. And if we click the identification level, we see unlock more features with enhanced verification. So we've got a basic right now, which means we can have 3,500 euros coming in every day, 35,000 coming in every month. A card purchase of up to 300 a day, 5,000 a month, and peer-to-peer is 3,500 and 35,000. Now, if we go to extended, these levels become much higher, so 100k a day and 1 million a month. With advanced, we don't have any limits. Now, how to update this is to go to update data, and that will tell you to get verified. Quick verification will unlock all wallet features and protect your account. Let's click continue. What is your phone number? Share your Telegram phone number to get basic verification level. And then it gives you this pop-up whether or not you want to share your phone number with this bot. So just go through all of these steps And the higher your verification is, the higher your limits are that you can use this wallet with. And let's say I want to get USDT, I can click USDT. Now dollars and wallets stand for USDT Tether. Cryptocurrency as its price always roughly equals to the US dollar. Sent to Telegram contacts instantly and without fees. Used for payment everywhere USDT is accepted. So if I say receive, I can use the TRC20, so the Tron network, or I can use the TON, so the native TON network. So that's very convenient if you need to receive a payment in cryptocurrencies. You can now use this. Right, let's go back to the studio.
So in short, the story of TON encapsulates the challenges and opportunities facing modern blockchain projects. Innovation at the frontier of technologically often comes with significant regulatory and technical hurdles. Yet the journey of TON also illustrates the power of community and shared vision in the digital age, showing that even when corporations step back, the people can carry forward the torch of innovation. Now, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency projects, be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!